Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over an important topics, that is nutrition. Nutrition is the process through which we intake the food, digest, get the energy, and the waste material or undigested food come out from the body. The 6 different steps are collectively known as nutrition. So, if I want to specify the steps of these steps are ingestion, digestion, absorption, transportation, assimilation, and egestion. All the 6 different steps have the different works occurs inside our body. All the living body needs energy to do their life activity. What kinds of activity they perform, they needs energy for it. We the human being also do loads of the different kinds of work from morning to evening. So we need energy, and that energy is obtained from the food what we eat. There are different kinds of activities. So we also need different kinds of nutrients. These nutrients come from the food what we eat. These nutrients are divided into 7 categories like carbohydrate, proteins, minerals, fibers, fats, and waters. All the different kinds of food contain the different kinds of nutrients what we need. By doing the hard work, either physical or mental, most of the cells are need repaired. Some of the cells are die also. So these nutrients help us in repairing that damaged cell, or also help us in regenerating the new cells, because that cells are essential to do the different kinds of life activity successfully and in good way. The different kinds of nutrients are obtained from different kinds of food. Some of the nutrients are obtained from wheat, rice, milk, fruits, and some other are also obtained from green vegetables, fish, eggs, meats, etc. So, if we talk about the balanced diet, which provide us all the different kinds of nutrients, the things which contain, the food which contain all the 7 different kinds of nutrients, and if we add the sources from which we get that nutrients every day, this is called balanced diet. It is also essential to survive a healthy life. Now, as per the nutrition style, as per the way of nutrition, we classified the nutrition into different category. First is autotrophic nutrition, and second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition occurs in plants, green plants, because green plants prepare their food themselves. They take minerals and water from the earth, carbon dioxide from the air, and heat from the sunlight. These foods are prepared in leaves because leaf contain chlorophyll and stomata. By the process of photosynthesis, they prepare their food, and that foods are also transported to different parts of the plant. So all the steps of nutrition like digestion, absorption, assimilation and ingestion occurs also in plants which are autotrophs, and nutrition is so called autotrophic nutritions. Second one is heterotrophic nutritions. These nutritions occurs in animals because all the animals depend on plants directly or indirectly. They cannot prepare their food themselves. They depend on plants for their food, and that food gives them energy for their life activity. So heterotrophic nutrition, in heterotrophic nutritions, or heterotrophic living being directly or indirectly depend on plants. Human being is also come in heterotrophs. These are also divided into two categories: herbivorous and carnivorous, and sometimes we can say omnivorous. Herbivorous means the living being who depend only on plants. Their food are obtained from the plants. Either they eat the different parts of the plant or fruits. So they are called herbivorous. They are also called primary consumer. Then carnivorous depend on herbivorous for their nutrition, for their food, like lion, tiger, bear make their food of camels, goat, cow, which are herbivorous. Carnivorous means flesh eating animal, flesh eating living body. So herbivorous animals are the food of carnivorous. Omnivorous animals, omnivorous living being are those which make the food both herbivorous and carnivorous, like human being, crow, dog, etc. These living beings eat both of the things. They also eat plants and their product. They also eat flesh of animals. So these are called omnivorous. Nowadays, proper nutrition is essential. Due to proper nutrition, we can maintain healthy life for a long time. Improper nutrition means we may be prey of different kinds of diseases. We do not feel healthy. We do not feel happy. We cannot enjoy the happy life, real pleasure of life. So proper nutrition is essential. The last step of nutrition is digestion. Digestion means undigested food or waste material which is stored in our body come out from our body in different ways. That should be ejected, because that is toxinable material which is stored in our body. So ejection is its last step. So I think some of idea about the nutrition can be obtained from this video. If you like this video, prescribe it by pushing the bell button, and also send me the comment. If you want to know something more on some other topics which I have not discussed in this video, I shall try my best to add all the topics, subject points discussed in detail in my next video, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.